Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your screen printing is a beautiful art. It's a one-time investment on the material, spending less time with almost zero effort. This will be the added advantage to your business, like if you are running for the boutique or if you want to work from home, this is the best business you can start. And in this video I would be detailing everything about the material from A to Z, that is the spreading of the saree or any types of fabrics, how to spread the color on the screens and which screens we have to select. You must be having the doubts that we can do this type of designing on any types of fabrics. Definitely. In this video I'd be elaborating everything, the color spreading evenly on the screen. We are working with the pearl colors, also dual color printing like this, among with this metallic colors, also with gold, silver, copper, etc. Recently I got to know about this screen printing. I was very fond of this art and learned so many things. All these customized screens, also the materials available with Sri Guru Sarees printing, and the address is in front of your screen. Also the WhatsApp number for which you can contact them directly. If you want to work from home, this would be the best business for the homemaker wanted to do something sitting at home and earn some money without spending much. And here you can clearly see how beautifully the plain saree is been designing. That means the border is having using the same colors we are designing using the screen printing with the dual color printing. All the squeezers, screen and the printing material like the binder, pigment colors, fixer and gold, metallic, all these materials you'll get in an affordable price. If you are really interested, you can follow upcoming videos on this screen printing like neckline designing, dresses and kurtis designing, dupattas, as well as we can also customize our bed sheets, also the pillow cover for the home decor projects such as sofa covers designing, also the table mat. If you clearly observe here, the colors on this pallu or on the border, the same colors we took here for the designing, and really it's been done beautifully with the multicolor designing. Same way we can customize our dupattas, also this plain sarees. For doing this screen printing work, we need to have little knowledge about this. Firstly, how to spread the fabric. If you want to try this at home, you can either spread the old unused bed sheet evenly on the floor, then spread any saree or the fabric which you want to have that design. The color mixing I'll show you, and this way we have to spread it on the screen. So here firstly, using the single color, we are going to prepare the border for this saree. So this way we have to spread with the squeezer on the screen, color spreading evenly. The squeezer on the screen has to be put in 45 degrees angle, that means slantingly, and then evenly spread it. This way the color will spread uniformly, and you don't believe that with using of 1 spoon of two different colors here, blue and green color, the complete border will be designed. And you might be thinking that screens once used will not be useful. That is completely wrong assumption. You can use these screens n number of times. You might be having doubts that these screens which have used for designing on the saree can be used only on saree, but it is not. You can use on any types of fabrics designing. As I said, you can work it on bed sheets, pillow covers, also you can design for kurtis designing. One design we can use n number of times. These customized screens, also the materials available with Sri Guru screen printing saree, and the proprietor is Mrs. Madhavi. She can guide you completely about screen printing designing. The fashion designing trends now moving towards block printing, also with the screen printing, which if we know how to do it, we can affordably do at home, starting a small business. Also, this would be the added advantage. If you are already running the boutique, you can add this in your catalog, or you can also train them depending upon the size of the screen. That means here you can clearly see here the booties, that means working on the center of the saree along with the border. For this we can charge of around 800 to 1000 rupees, which you can get just like that. Also you can try this for the dupattas designing, starting from 150 to 200 rupees. Slowly, gradually it will increase your business little by little. Hardly if you have 15 to 20 screens, you can start up your business. This is my personal experience, and I have learned so many things that I'll be sharing you in my upcoming videos. And Mrs. Madhavi is also having YouTube channel with the name Sri Guru Sari Screen Printing. For more details, you can also check their videos. They will give you complete training. That means how to choose the color for any types of colored fabrics, mixing of the colors, and the screens also available in different sizes according to your customized designs. The designs is available in different formats. Like here, if you clearly observe here, the nature pattern has been created. That means flowers, leaves and butterflies like that. And this is one more saree which I am gonna show you using dual colors. Previously I have shown the border designing horizontally, how we have to apply the dual colors. Now here I am gonna show you another designing which is of peacock designing, animal printing designing, vertically spreading of two colors. Not only two colors, we can also try with the tri-colors, that means three colors at a time. So this is vertically printing of peacock design, which is of 8 by 6 inches screen with the big squeezer. Here we are using the squeezers also available in different sizes, small, medium and large. According to the design we have to use the squeezers. So maintaining even gaps in between each of two, we have to spread the colors like this. This is one of the beautiful art, and you can't believe that within half an hour we can complete one saree screen printing with neatly and professionally. The final out, really you cannot believe that it is the second hand saree. We have turned it into new saree. Now here I'm going to show you the materials which I got from them. They had been dispatched from DTDC courier. They have well packed and they sealed. Now I'm going to show you what I got in this box. The different sizes of screens with the customized designs. This is the border design. This is the pamphlet of how to use the colors. Everything is completely guided in this. It means the color mixing of pigment colors, also the metallic colors and gold, silver, with the phone numbers. That means you have any doubts you can call to them directly. Also guided with tips and tricks. These materials you can also get in Amazon. The links also provided in the description box. If you want, you can kindly check. But if you want, you'll get these materials in an affordable price by directly contacting them. Because in Amazon, you have to pay the commission. Instead of booking through Amazon, you'll get very discounted price if you contact them directly through this number in front of your screen. Also it's available in the description box. All these materials you'll get in a very less price. If you observe these screens, each screen is having the different patterns like bridal pattern, birds, Whirly painting, geometrical patterns, animal and nature patterns. Like this, each individual is defined very beautifully and uniquely. We can either try these screens for simple booties designing, also with the borders. This is the Mickey Mouse pattern, which we can try for the outfits of children's or for their bed sheets designing, because they want to have something different from others. The colors were sealed, packed, and here you can clearly the pigment colors such as yellow, red, green and other colors also like orange, purple, black, fixer. This is SL and bind. Works like the thinner. Red, blue. Squeezers of two different sizes. Ruddy and pearl base. Gold, silver and copper is readily available. We can directly use it. These are sealed, packed. Like this we'll get. The courier is available all over India. So this way they'll pack neatly and they'll send to you. I'm really satisfied with the package what they had sent. They took each and every precaution to send these screens perfectly along with no leakages. And if you have this, we can easily start up our business. These are available in different packages. According to your selection of this screen, the price will be fixed, and as they are the manufacturers, they are providing these materials in an wholesale price. You can check anywhere. These are very less prices which they are offering. And finally friends, I am really satisfied with the products what they had sent to me and the knowledge which I have gained from them, because you all know about the genuine follower. I always prefer to do at home at very less prices, and I can say in one word, you can truly believe them. And if you are really the fashion lover, you have to learn the screen printing art, because nowadays the block printing, also the screen printing is very much trending. Try your own customized designer patterns and be unique in the fashion world. This is the bedsheet designing and also the pillow covers. So here on this bedsheet designing, we are working with 3 to 4 screens which we can create the beautiful pattern. And now I'm going to show you the silver printing. With one screen and one color we are working this, and the border which it's been elevating, the body of the saree is been designing with the booty work. Really this is looking so awesome with the Worli art printing. And this is the simple zari border saree which we are gonna work with the musical instrument pattern along with the peacock designing using the pearl color with the contrasted color blue. And here I'm gonna work on pattu saree with the gold work designing of this beautifully peacock design. As you all know, we must be having this type of sarees in our wardrobes. We can customize it in a new way to follow the fashion. The gold work pattern will really gives rich look, as you can clearly see here. And also another saree printing. So like this we can use any customized designer patterns to turn our old saree to new pretty looking saree. I'm sure you must be loving this. This has turned to new, and this is one of the Kerala saree. And on this we are working with the geometrical pattern. You can clearly see here with the red color really enhances the beauty of this saree. The simple gold zari border. The pattern is really looking creative and unique, isn't it? Really friends, these type of designings you can also try at home. Do follow the Mrs. Madhavi Garu and Sri Guru Saree Printing. The numbers is in front of your screen. You can directly contact them. I hope sharing of this video is useful to you all. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World.